literally have a free track. Well, I have a free track on my bike. Let's go out whenever the fuck I want. It's pretty good. Get some decent practice in.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's just love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love.
Time to mix gas and haul some ass. I'm still in zombie mode right now. Tell me fucking eyes still half shut. But so I don't even know I'm in zombie mode. What? It's like 11:30. I should be awake, full of energy. Supposed to be at the track in like 15 minutes. It's not happening. I'm gonna be a bit late. Fuck it. Trying to get a video uploaded just before I leave. Getting all my gear sorted out. Time to whip some of this on, and then this time hopefully I'll bring the drone. Well, I will bring the drone. I'll bring the iPad as well, so I can actually fly the drone this time. Saddled up and ready to go. There's literally like nobody at the track today. There's us and them. Fun packed day of one group. Look at this setup, boys. Fucking perfect. That's beauty. Autofocus. It's so bright. The camera isn't used to this shit. Hasn't been sunny like this in fucking years. What a setup. Hopefully today is some fucking good shit. The 50cc's are out. Absolute weapons.
Morning calls, even roads feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo what you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Yeah. Even roads feel the sun so cold.
Last night I saw this man on the corner with a sign, hoping for a meal. Back pocket pack a knife, so broke, gotta steal. I know we all connected like spokes to a wheel. Never cared who I offended, always spoke what I feel. No, you don't have to like it, at least you know that it's real. Labels at my card table, but ain't close to a deal. In the field, everybody got goals that they must chase. So your pockets looking full like they just ate. While this one's for my pops on his lunch break. Worked for the years and he's still sitting up straight. Same reason every night why I'm up late. I love it more than the fat kid love cake. Like man, I can't wait for what I know is coming. Soon as you blow all the dough that these hoes is wanting.
What happened to that boy?
Fucking saw cable broke.
Snap. That's unfortunate. Fuck that. Mistake. I'm out of fucking petrol in the middle of the track.
You can case it, it's grand. I've cased it so bad. And it's not bad, so
Pretty much, don't be a bitch.
don't be a bitch.
Semester's over, parents in Minnesota. Chicago's waiting for a job offer
actually have a free track. Well, I have a free track on my bike. Let's go out whenever the fuck I want. It's pretty good. Get some decent practice in.
And of course I'd forget to put an outro on the video. I'm just finished just finished editing the video. It's not a great video in all fairness, but the day in itself that it was a fucking great day. Literally for about 2 hours towards the end I had the whole motocross track to myself. I was literally just painting the same jumps over and over, just practicing. I'm pretty glad I got that practice in. I'm pretty chuffed I just had the whole track to myself. Like, you don't get a lot of opportunities in life to have a whole motocross track to yourself, for you to just fuck around, do whatever you want. We got some funny videos, some funny pictures, we just messed around, did a load of shit. It was literally just me on the bike and Luke Sheridan recording. I have to shout out Luke Sheridan obviously for recording, because Luke's bike broke. His throttle cable snapped in the first, not even the first lap. He got halfway through the first lap, his throttle cable snapped, so he stayed from the start of the day until the end of the day just recording for me. So I have to shout out Luke Sheridan. I'll leave his Instagram in the description. Majority of the people watching this video is gonna know Luke Sheridan anyway, so you're probably already following him, but still I have to shout him out. Anyways, as I said, I know this video wasn't great. I tried to go for a more kind of raw video instead of doing the like motocross edits that I normally do. As always, if you made it this far into the video, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, just saying anything you want, just feedback, fucking anything about the video, anything you want. It doesn't even have to be a video related, it could be a question, it could be fucking anything. Just drop a comment, drop a like, drop a subscribe if you haven't, and I'm gonna leave the video here, I suppose. Talk about guys along the phone, I'll talk to you later. Bye. What do you say?
While this one's for my pops on his lunch break. Worked for the years and he's still standing up straight. Same reason every night why I'm up late. I'm loving more than the fat kid love cake. Like man, I can't wait for what I know is coming.